Yeah, another nice largemouth here. Probably about 16, 17 inches. Wait a minute. He's about 17 inches, I guess. Under the lights. All right, good morning from Car Lake. I had an H&H spinner. The blue came off, the white still worked, and the cool thing is I got that SoCo light, and that's what's lighting it up right now. Let's check this guy out. It's a nice largemouth. He's probably about 16, 17 inches. Wait a minute. He's about 17 inches, I guess. About close to 3 pounds. It's a nice bass. Let's get him back here at Car Lake. Let's get this guy back. Nice fish. All right, moved to the bridge. Got another one. This one, that's a nice one right there too. He's about another 18 incher right there. Nice bass today. I'm here at the bridge now. Yeah, another nice largemouth here on that Bush Bridge. It's gonna be a great day for fishing for people, I can already tell. Let's get this guy back. Beautiful bass. Car Lake bass. I got some guys getting some shad. Got my SoCo cabinet light. Kind of breaking the rules to that. Nice bass. See you later, buddy. Heck of a day. Third bass. Smallest bass of the day. Not even 5:30 yet. Let's get him back. Well, we got us another one. This one about the same, a little bit thinner, but man, we got another spoon, second one on the spoon. So let's check them out and get them back. All right. Another one here on the side. That's about close to 3 pounds, maybe 3. Like I said, this one a little bit thinner, but still a beautiful fish. Let's get him back. All right. Rockfish capital of the world, just passing through. Had to get a picture of the sign. Alright folks, I'm here in Weldon, North Carolina. This is the rockfish or striped bass capital of the world right here on the Roanoke River. I do not have my fishing tackle today with me. I'm going down east. This morning I did catch those 3 nice largemouth bass at Carr Lake, but we will come down here in the future sometime and hopefully bring the float tube out, catch some nice striper or something like that. Enormous fig trees, grapevines. Beautiful gardens here.